Hello everyone. First open Time Farm bot. I wrote this address in description. Tap on Start. Tap on Open App. Tap on Start. Wait to load. Tap on Next. Tap on Let's Farm. Tap on Claim. Tap on Start. Now farming start, and after 4 hours you will get 10,000 coin. After that, tap on tasks. Now with this task you can earn more coin. First one, connect Ton wallet, and other, subscribe to Time Farm social media. After that, tap on friends. Now if you invite a friend, you can get referrals. And tap on activity. You can see the list of other users who earn coin from friends. Tap on earn. Now with staking and or sell of time, you can get more coin. Tap on first one, staking. Tap on start staking. Now you can stake your money, and after that day you choose, you can get your benefit. For example, I choose 15 days. And after 15 days, I will get 10%. Tap on continue. Choose your amount of your assets, for example, 25%. Tap on continue. Tap on stake. Now after 15 days, you can back to this section and claim your earn. Tap on or sell of time. Now with answer to this question, you can get more coins. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.